guys, it's Addison, and today I'm going to do a video on something. But first we are going to start off with, well, we're going to do what some pets and some LOL dolls babies look like color changed. Something called Shnooks. And then we have these, and then we have our McDonald's train. Okay, so let's show you the color change. This one doesn't color change, but she's really cool now. I like her.
Take the ones out as you go through and take them out, so we know we did them already.
Okay, so here.
Did she color change?
Mm-hmm. Look at her. She has like a shoe shell on her.
Oh yeah, she got a seashell on her head.
Did this? Oh yeah, this one did.
And different eye makeup, I think.
Yeah, and look at this girl. She got some new hairstyle.
This one had different color hair, right?
Yeah, she got a new hairstyle. Oh, I want this one.
What color was her hair originally? White? Oh yeah.
Yeah, white.
Alright, this one's got definitely looks different.
Oh my god, isn't she like so cute?
I think, did her shoes change color too? Oh, she got a heart on her. Oh, she got a heart in the front of her.
Mm-hmm.
See the heart in the front of her?
Yeah, I saw her. So we have little, I can't tell who this. It's the new one that we got last night. What's her name?
She's got some funky eyes.
Little funky cutie.
Little funky cutie, yeah. And her diaper was silver.
Oh, look at the little court tail.
And her hair was white. Yeah, see her hair's white.
Yeah, you're gonna want to look a little court tail.
And her eyes didn't have those things on it.
Look a little court tail. So this is her hair, and look, and then show them the butt. What's on the butt? A tennis ball.
Oh yeah. Her hair wasn't this color either.
No. Let's rub it and see. Oh, it was brown. Who else?
And she didn't have a shirt on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Nope, not at all. Oh, it's definitely not at all. The bottom of her paws turn that color.
Who is it? Hot dog.
That's the hot dog. And then she gets a little heart on her side. Aw, cute.
Broken heart.
Yeah, I wonder why. Yeah, if you didn't know, you guys, if you have those two that came with Splash Meow Me, the reason why they come together is because she's an ultra rare for some reason. I don't know. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. She gets a little heart on the front of her. And then you gotta look at the butt.
Her diaper changes colors too.
Yeah, look at the butt. She's something in her butt.
Diamond? A diamond? Yep.
Some bright like a diamond. There's a little fresh.
These are not new ones.
Yeah, not all of them are.
Oh, here she is.
Oh, let me see.
What's her name?
Show baby.
Show
baby.
She had light pink hair.
Can I see her? Oh, she's so cute. I love the diaper. Oh my god, she's awesome. She's like
she gets a shirt and she gets boots.
She's like a little movie star.
And she turns completely pink.
Shazam goes on adventures with you. That's cool.
And it says to shake it.
No.
Open, shake, style. Collect them all. And it says that they get grows 8 times their size.
And there's more surprises hidden in here.
Oh, do you know how to open it?
Nope.
No.
But nope.
Open it up and you get this vacuum sealed thing. And I guess you gotta cut that open.
Well, this like.
No, that's just.
Here, I can get it.
Just don't cut the doll though. Cut down lower down here.
Doll.
We'll cut it.
Okay, little cut. Little fluffy guy. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't smell like anything. Oh, look.
Alright, well, I think you're supposed to shake it, it says.
Don't you have to open it?
It is open. Shake it.
Oh.
Is it blowing up?
Here, Mommy, you shake it.
Oh, it's not really. I thought there was going to be something chemical inside of it to make it.
Let me see.
The hair is crazy.
Shakes. Oh!
You just shake it like fluffy. Because it was vacuum sealed with no air in it, so you shake it to get air in it.
Oh, it doesn't really grow.
That's what I said. It's supposed to be 8 times the size that it wasn't. There's no way that's 8 times the size.
Yeah, you can also shake it so its hair can go wild.
Hey, it matches your shirt.
It does. Hey, we're both fluffies.
So we put piggies in her hair, and I don't know. Again, I think that the hair's going to end up coming out because it's.
I think she's fun.
But Addison likes her, so who knows? I don't know.
I'm walking down the street. I want to get more so then I can create a whole school with them. They're so cute. No.
Okay. And Addison wanted to show you her train from McDonald's that she's collecting.
Yeah, we have 2 My Little Ponies.
And 1 sleigh riding
Dogs.
dog. And we have these 3 balls we're going to open up tomorrow. The newest Spizz balls, which Series 3.
Is Series 3 coming out with that beauty surprise thingy?
That was part of the big ball. Yeah, it said beauty surprise. I don't know. I have no idea. I haven't
Can I
heard
show
anything.
them something on my collection? Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you want me to get more Shnooks. Bye.
Say no.
Yes.
Bye.